Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. We are now moving on to the concept of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? AI, in short. We always hear nowadays, it's AI. It's not that person. It is AI. What is AI? What is AI? Artificial intelligence is the computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Systems that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Examples of this include ChatGPT, for example, Copilot, Siri, Google Assistant, recommendation systems on YouTube and TikTok, for example. AI can recognize patterns of your search patterns, how you behave online, and it can process the language. It can learn from the data that is provided and make predictions. Okay? AI is becoming increasingly integrated into education, into business, into healthcare, into transportation and entertainment. Okay. I would like you to pause and think right now. What AI tools have you used this week? What AI tools should be used? Have you used this week? It is very important to note that AI should be used responsibly. Don't use AI to cheat, okay? When you are asked to submit an assignment, don't go into AI and use AI to do that assignment. That is not a responsible use of AI, okay? AI and information creation. Artificial intelligence has transformed content creation today. AI can generate almost everything. Okay? It can generate text like essays, summaries, images, videos, translations, computer code. Okay? It can produce videos. You can, for example, produce of a video of Mrs. Tere presenting a class. It can do that. And you can have that. And that is wrong. Okay? It is wrong to do that. AI can also summarize documents as well as translate languages. Benefits. There are many benefits of AI. Responsible use of AI can create faster content creation. Okay? It can improve efficiency. Okay? It can increase productivity in the workplace or wherever you are. It can increase accessibility. Okay? However, there are challenges. As with anything else, there are always benefits and challenges. One of the challenges that we have with AI is that it can produce errors and inaccuracies. It's not 100 because it's not a human being. It's not all the time correct. Okay? AI can be biased. Okay? It can also fabricate information, therefore misinforming people. Okay? It can also produce outdated information. We have what we call the concept of hallucination. Is whereby AI generates information that sounds correct, but it is inaccurate. For example, it can say that I have written a book on AI. It is not true. I haven't written any book on AI, for example. There is need for faster checking and human oversight when using AI. Okay? Responsible use of AI. Yes, this leads us to the issue of responsible use of AI. So responsible use of AI requires critical thinking. Okay? You have to be able to critique what is before you. Be able to verify AI-generated information. Don't just consume without first verifying the information. Cross-check facts with reliable sources. Okay? Acknowledge AI when you have used it and when you were required to use it. But otherwise, use your brains. Okay? Maintain academic integrity. Use AI as a support tool, not as something that you use to entirely 100%. You can, for example, if you don't understand, you can use AI to explain to you. After the explanation, now use your brain to answer the question that is before you. Protect confidential information, okay? And respect academic integrity. There is a difference between AI-generated learning. As students, there is a difference between using AI to assist the learning and using AI to bypass learning. Because when you are using AI, you are not learning anything. You are bypassing learning. You will never learn. It's the computer that is doing things for you instead of you learning and be in a position to apply, to use the information later in your life, in your profession. You will fail when you you go to the workplace, or when you go to apply yourself to use what we have learned to improve your life. You won't be able to apply yourselves because all the time you have been using AI. Okay? Okay. So I would like to challenge you, wherever you are, stop and think. Should AI-generated information be trusted at all times? Huh? Should that happen? I would also like to encourage you, students, to view AI as a tool that supports human intelligence rather than as a tool that replaces human intelligence. AI can never replace human intelligence. Support your intelligence with AI rather than replacing your intelligence with AI. Okay.